Hello, everyone, and welcome back. It's today's basically October. Today is October 5th, 2021, and I'm finally starting to get some of the white tomasols that to change color or basically turn whitish. Um, this one here has some green on it, but I'm sure it'll turn white. It's kind of big. It's it's almost the size of my hand. So the Black Beauties, which is this one here. I haven't had too much luck with the plants this year, but last year they did a lot better. And even the tomatoes are kind of small this year. I'm getting a lot of the Black Beauties, but they're not really. Well, they're changing color, but they're not changing color. If you understand, you kind of understand what I mean. Normally they get like the multicolors. Also, I guess basically on the greenish section here, but they're taking their time to ripen. And this here's another one of the what's it called? Pink German tomatoes. So yeah, pink German tomato. So so far I've got just six of the white tomasols. So it's basically just doing the video mostly for the white tomasol. I haven't tried them yet, so supposedly they're supposed to be good. And anyways, it's a short video, and thanks for coming to watch. Have a good day.